Welcome to Review Lab. The best laundry bag with pocket is probably one of the most versatile and essential items for anyone looking to keep their laundry organized and their living space tidy, especially when you need to transport clothes to and from a laundromat or dorm room. This isn't just any ordinary bag, it's a smart solution designed to make your chores significantly easier, offering convenience and functionality that goes beyond simple storage. We're diving deep into what makes a laundry bag with a pocket truly stand out, exploring its features, benefits, and why it might just be the upgrade your laundry routine desperately needs. Number 5. Backpack Laundry Bag. Introducing a large-capacity laundry backpack, perfect for holding 2 to 3 loads of clothes. It's ideal for trips to the laundromat or for everyday family use. Enjoy comfortable transport with fully adjustable, wide shoulder straps designed to fit everyone. This makes carrying your laundry much easier than traditional baskets. This bag offers convenient storage with an external mesh pocket for detergents and an inner zippered pocket for your valuables like your phone or keys. Crafted from high-quality, tear-resistant Oxford cloth, it's waterproof and machine washable. Reinforced stitching ensures it can handle up to 44 pounds of laundry, promising a long lifespan. Easily converted into a hanging hamper using the reinforced loop. It's a practical solution for collecting dirty laundry at home, in dorms, or while camping. What we like? This laundry backpack offers ample space for 2 to 3 loads, making it ideal for frequent laundromat visits. Its adjustable, padded shoulder straps ensure comfort even when fully loaded. If you prioritize convenience and comfort for regular laundry trips, this is the one for you. What people say. The laundry bag is durable and holds a lot of clothes. The pocket on the side is very convenient for storing small items like socks or detergent pods. Number 4. BeeGreen Laundry Bag Backpack. This laundry backpack is significantly larger than average, capable of holding 3 to 4 loads of laundry. It's constructed from lightweight yet durable ripstop polyester, reinforced with webbing and stitching for safe heavy loading. Enjoy hands-free carrying with adjustable padded shoulder straps, perfect for navigating stairs. An additional front zipper pocket offers space for detergent, and a top handle allows for easy hanging. It's built to last. This is a great choice for summer camp or transporting a week's worth of clothes. It can also serve as college storage for bedding, towels, toys, or even sports gear for your kids. Forget hand washing, this extra-large laundry bag is machine washable, saving you time and promoting reuse. We recommend using mild detergent and hanging it to dry. With its round bottom, this laundry hamper stands well on its own, providing ample space for your laundry. You can also hang it on a door or wall to keep dirty clothes organized. The top opening features a strap with a buckle to securely close the bag, ensuring your belongings stay put during travel or transport. What we like? With capacity for 3 to 4 loads and durable ripstop material, this option is built for heavy use. The padded shoulder straps and front zipper pocket add extra convenience. If you need a robust and spacious bag for college or frequent travel, this is a great choice. What people say. The laundry bag is made of durable material, ensuring it can withstand regular use. It features a convenient pocket for storing small items like detergent pods or dryer sheets. The bag is spacious enough to hold a large load of laundry, making it practical for families or individuals. Number 3. Canvas Laundry Bag Backpack, Army Green, X Large. This sturdy bag is your perfect companion for laundry day or as a spacious backpack. It's designed to carry all your essentials with ease. Crafted from high-quality, long-lasting canvas, this bag is built to withstand your daily adventures. You can rely on its durability for regular use. Easily access your items with the large front pocket and secure them with the simple drawstring closure. Everything stays put when you're on the go. Enjoy a personalized and comfortable fit thanks to the adjustable shoulder straps. It's designed to feel just right, no matter how much you're carrying. With its generous interior space, this bag can hold a substantial amount of clothing, gear, or whatever you need to transport. Pack it all in. Whether you're heading to the laundromat, the gym, or traveling, this practical bag is suitable for all your storage needs. It's designed for your busy lifestyle. Choose the stylish Army Green option in an X-large size to perfectly meet your storage requirements. It's both functional and fashionable. What we like? Crafted from high-quality canvas, this bag is designed for longevity and regular use. The large front pocket and drawstring closure offer convenient access and secure storage. If you're looking for a simple, durable, and versatile bag for various storage needs, this canvas option stands out. What people say. The laundry bag is durable and holds a lot of clothes. The pocket on the side is very convenient for storing small items like socks or detergent. It's easy to carry around thanks to the sturdy handles. Number 2. OTraki Laundry Bag Backpack. Introducing our extra-large laundry backpack, designed to hold clothes for your entire family. It also features a convenient front pocket for organizing essentials. Crafted from premium 420D Oxford cloth with reinforced stitching, this bag is built to last. It's machine washable and maintains its shape and color. Experience ultimate comfort with adjustable padded shoulder straps. They provide excellent support, making it easy to carry even heavy loads without strain. Our backpack features a secure drawstring and buckle closure at the top. This ensures all your items stay safely inside, even when the bag is full. This bag is more than just a laundry solution. Use it at home, in dorms, or even as a travel or storage bag. It's designed for your diverse lifestyle. When not in use, this laundry bag conveniently folds up for easy storage. It takes up minimal space, making it perfect for any home. What we like. This extra-large backpack can handle laundry for a family of 4 to 5, featuring a front zipper pocket for essentials. Made from durable 420D Oxford cloth, it's also foldable for easy storage. If you need a large capacity, durable, and easily storable solution for family laundry or travel, consider this. What people say. The laundry bag is surprisingly spacious, easily fitting a full load of laundry. The pocket on the side is a great addition for storing detergent pods or dryer sheets. The material feels durable and well-stitched, suggesting it will hold up to frequent use. Number 1. Washable Laundry Backpack with Zipper Pocket. It's thoughtfully designed with adjustable straps to meet different height requirements. Feel free to adjust the strap length for comfortable transportation. You can easily hang it up with the extra hanger hook provided. This is super practical for collecting dirty clothes and saves space. Its special round bottom design holds more clothes, almost 4 loads, and it stands easily for putting items in. It's made of durable nylon and is machine washable. Keep all your belongings confidential with the double-side drawstring closure. Nothing will accidentally split out. This heavy-duty bag is perfect for laundry, home storage, travel, camping, and hiking. It folds up small enough to fit in your palm. Crafted from heavy-duty nylon with double-stitched seams, it's built to last. Plus, it's machine washable, saving you laundry time. What we like. This bag boasts a unique round bottom for increased capacity and stability, holding up to 4 loads. It's machine washable and folds down compactly for easy storage. If you appreciate thoughtful design features like a stable base and easy maintenance, this is an excellent pick. What people say. This laundry bag is very durable and holds a lot of clothes. The pocket on the side is great for storing detergent or dryer sheets. It's easy to carry with the sturdy handles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.